Hey everyone, and welcome back to Corp Origin. In today's hyper competitive world, businesses are always looking for an edge, and right now in India, that edge is undeniably generative AI. It is not just a buzzword, it is transforming how companies interact with you, the customer, and how efficiently they run behind the scenes. Remember those frustrating repetitive customer service calls or generic email that felt like they were sent to a million people? Well, generative AI is changing all that. Indian companies are leading the change in using Gen AI to create truly personalized customer experience at a scale never before possible. Think about it. Intelligent chatbot and voice assistant. Companies like Indigo with the Sky chatbot and Axis Bank with their voice assistant Aksa are leveraging Gen AI to understand complex queries, offer human-like responses and even complete transactions. No more rigid script, just natural conversation that get you answer faster. Imagine asking about a flight change and getting a detailed, polite response tailored to your specific booking instantly. That's Gen AI at work. Hyper personalized recommendation. Ever wonder how Zomato or Swiggy seem to know exactly what you want to eat, or how Myntra suggests outfits that perfectly match your style? That's Gen AI analyzing your past behavior, preferences, and even mood to generate product and service recommendation that feels tailor-made for you. It is moving beyond just people who bought this also bought that, genuinely understanding your unique taste. Dynamic content creation, from personalized marketing email that feel like they are written just for you to product description that highlight features relevant to your needs. Gen AI can generate engaging varied content on the fly. This means more relevant information, less clutter, and a far more engaging journey for the customer. This isn't just about speed, it is about making every customer feel valued, understood, and truly connected with the brand. But Gen AI magic isn't just client facing. Behind the scene, it is a powerhouse for operation efficiency, helping Indian companies streamline workflows, cut costs, and empower their employees. Think about the mountains of documents in banking or insurance. HDFC Bank, for instance, is rolling out a centralized Gen AI platform to automate tasks like document summarization, compliance check, and even real-time credit decisioning. This frees up human employees from mundane repetitive work, allowing them to focus on more strategic and complex issues. Code generation and software development. For the tech giant like TCS and Infosys, Gen AI is a game changer in software development. It can assist in writing code, dubbing, and even testing, accelerating product development cycles significantly. This means new features and services reach you faster. Supply chain optimization. Imagine a vast logistic network. Companies are using Gen AI to predict demand more accurately, optimize delivery route, and even manage inventory more efficiently. This led to faster deliveries, reduced waste, and ultimately better service for the end customer. By automating routine processes and providing intelligent insight, Gen AI is allowing Indian businesses to do more with less, leading to significant cost saving and faster service delivery. What makes India a hotbed for this Gen AI revolution? Our massive talent pool of AI engineers, data scientists, and developers, combined with a strong focus on digital transformation. Companies like Ola, Paytm, Myntra, and many more are not just opting global Gen AI trends, they are innovating and customizing them for the unique Indian market. The future of customer experience and operational efficiency in India is exciting. We are going to see even more personalized interaction, hyper-efficient backend processes, and businesses that truly understand and anticipate your needs. So, what are your thoughts? Have you experienced the power of Gen AI in your customer interaction? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Corp Origin for more in-depth business case studies. Thank you.